So one of the reasons why we 3S in the mornings is to find things that are either out of place or, haven't been cleaned or overlooked in a while. And while I was mopping today, the floor looks pretty good, but I found out that these baseboards in the front office, pretty dirty. They probably haven't been cleaned in a while, so I got all my things right here and try cleaning it right now. So I only finished about half the wall right here, but you can already see that there's a pretty clear line of where I haven't cleaned and where I have cleaned. It's all pretty dirty towards this side, and then over here it's a little cleaner. There are still some like dents in here, so we might have to eventually go over it with some white paint. But for now, I'm gonna continue on the rest, and I'll show you guys the end results. One thing I noticed while cleaning these baseboards was how forgotten this area was. If you guys remember, it usually has these chairs right there, and it's just pretty nasty and pretty dirty. There's even some spider webs right here in the corner, if you can see it. But yeah, maybe one of our next improvements can be cleaning the wall, since it is pretty dirty. So this is the end result. You can see the baseboards are pretty clean behind these chairs right there. And then on top of that, I also dusted this right here.